What is the root canal treatment? And so many people avoid that.
Nowadays, social media is also misguiding them. If the root canal infection is ignored, it might reach to your bloodstream and then it might create a heart attack.
In Cara Care Clinic, what are the treatment and procedures are available?
We do hair transplant, we do hair fall treatment, dental treatment, everything, including smile designing and root canals, crowns, everything.
Doctor, which one is more dangerous? Pain without swelling or pain with swelling?
Swelling without pain is more dangerous. Microscope endodontics is there. It is exactly replacing the word of imagination and it is giving you a practical, real, close view of the site.
Hello viewers, welcome to Social Post Health. Today Dr. Parul is with us, endodontist and root canal specialist from Cara Care Clinic and having 10 years of experience. Let's welcome her. Hello doctor.
Hi.
Doctor, actually so many people not aware of what is endodontist. What does that mean actually?
So, endodontist is a part of dentistry where the endodontist will be performing the root canal treatments and they'll relieve the pain basically for the patients. So, end of pain is the endodontist.
Okay. And what is the difference between dentist and endodontist?
So, endodontist is a specialist. So, after doing the bachelor degree, BDS, we perform a master degree for 3 years to get this specialization, and it's a particular big field of root canal treatment where we are specialized.
Okay. Actually, doctor, what are the common problems people come to you?
So mostly when they walk into my clinic, they are already suffering with pain. So they'll come to my clinic and they'll be into the pain. So we'll find out, we'll diagnose, we'll find out what is the issue, and then we'll be explaining them. And then within first procedure itself, when we perform the root canal, so within first procedure itself, they'll tell that my pain is sorted.
Okay, that's great. When a patient comes to you, doctor, what is the first thing you observe in them?
So they'll be already into anxious state, and half of the people nowadays they do a Google search on it.
Yeah.
So they'll have lot of queries. They'll be under a questionnaire that how is the procedure, what is the procedure, and how big is it, and is there any other option to escape from that?
And I wanted to ask you one question. The thing is, why people are so scared of dentists?
Yeah, so I guess it's more of their psychological thing. So earlier, the dentistry might be a painful procedure, but now it's so advanced with the modern dentistry. We can help them out to get a pain-free treatment for them. So it's all in their mind, and too much of Google search also is just giving them a lot
Anxiety.
of fear and anxiety.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, what are the treatments an endodontist does?
Yeah, so endodontist is a specialized person who will perform the root canal treatments and will be saving the teeth. And then all those cosmetic procedures also they're doing fillings, they are doing cleaning, they are doing bleaching, tooth whitening, everything they can perform.
Okay, when it comes to cosmetology, what do you do?
So we do a lot of smile designing procedures. So patients who are not satisfied with their smile, and then we go ahead with the smile designing procedure for them, and it's kind of a huge transformation for them. So smile designing helps the people to get a good transformation in their smile. So any kind of shape correction, any kind of color correction in their teeth, we can easily modify with the smile designing.
Doctor, actually, so many people are so conscious about their smile, teeth, and how they look while speaking, smiling, and they're very insecure about that. So, what you can do in that case?
So yeah, depending upon what is the concern of the patient, we'll work accordingly. If we have time duration, we'll modify their smile with the help of aligners, with the help of braces, like a natural way. But if the patient is not having time is a constraint for them. So definitely we can go ahead with the smile designing procedure, and it will give a huge transformation. Like they can boost up their confidence and they can get a huge, good, beautiful smile.
Okay, and how you bring the beautiful smile, doctor? What do you do actually?
So smile designing is a procedure where the if patient is not satisfied with the shape of the teeth, color of the teeth,
Mm-hmm.
or the size of the teeth, so we can easily modify it. So it might take 10 to 15 days of time, but we
Okay.
can easily do give the smile which you are already expecting.
Means, but the procedure or like how, when they can expect the results completely?
So entire procedure might take 1 week or 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we do is we modify the teeth a little bit, and we take the impressions, we take the scan, and after that the new teeth are coming to the dentist and they will show it to the patient, and once they are satisfied we'll fix it.
Okay. Do they have to follow any instructions?
Yeah, definitely. After getting the smile designing, we expect some
Yeah,
maintenance procedures also.
exactly.
So after 6 months, just visit to the dentist for a
Mm-hmm.
checkup, and you
Mm-hmm.
should, and the patient should also maintain a good hygiene.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's a permanent treatment and just need a basic maintenance, cleaning, polishing once in 6 months.
Can they brush, ma'am, after this
Yeah,
procedure?
yeah, it will be absolutely. It's your own natural teeth. We are just
Mm-hmm.
modifying it to
Mm-hmm.
make it look more aesthetic and beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there going to be any pain?
No pain. It's absolutely painless procedure.
Painless procedure.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. And each and every step is being explained to the patient, and then only we are going to perform.
okay. Before doing this procedure, do you consider the age of the patient?
Yeah, age of a patient is very, very important.
Okay.
And overall hygiene is also very important. Like in your old age, like when they reach to 60s and all, and if there is any kind of bone loss or any compromised situation is there,
Yes.
then we will
Yes.
not perform smile designing for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that case, so what will you suggest?
I will suggest to go ahead with the good hygiene protocols, learn the hygiene habits, and whatever is possible to maintain the teeth in long term,
Mm.
like after your 60s. You have to discuss with your dentist, and definitely dentist can help them out.
Okay. Doctor, also, dental health depends on the toothpaste and what kind of brush they uses. Like, is it also depends on toothbrush and brush as well?
Yeah, this is the most common question
Okay.
among every other patient for me.
Mm-hmm.
So there are two ways, either electronic brush or a manual brushing technique.
Okay, okay.
So both are equally good, but electronic brushing is more precise because you can set the timing in it and you can accurately define the pressure which is coming on the tooth.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and it will have some vibration, so it will easily remove the plaque which is getting deposited on
Mm-hmm.
your teeth. And sometimes manually also people don't follow the good technique, and then they'll end up with lot of food deposits in their mouth.
Mm.
So definitely brushing twice in a day can maintain a good hygiene,
Mm.
but
But so
no
many people
one,
don't follow that.
yeah, but no one cannot clean 100% also.
Yes.
They have to go once in a while for a regular cleaning. Yeah, even I do myself every 6 months. I go for a dental cleaning.
Oh, every 6 months.
Yes. So that cleaning is just you are improving the longevity of your teeth, and you are just it's a preventive thing. So it will prevent the cavity formation, food deposits, and plaque. Everything is saved out.
Okay. Which is the best, doctor? Toothpaste or tooth powder?
So toothpaste is good because it will have fluoride content, and depending upon your age group, like for the kids we suggest a different toothpaste, and for after 14 years of age we suggest something else. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to make sure that your tooth is a recognized FDA recognized toothpaste, and it should have a sufficient amount of fluoride.
Mm.
Fluoride will help you to prevent the cavities from your teeth. So yeah, you should choose wisely your toothpaste.
Okay, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but in YouTube we can see a lot of videos are there claiming that fluoride is not good for your health, it can kill you, or is it not safe? So,
Yeah,
is it true,
so
doctor?
no, actually when they make a toothpaste, they do a lot of research into it.
Mm.
So there will not be an excess amount of fluoride in that toothpaste that can harm you, and fluoride will be there for certain time. After that you are going to wash it out.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
but some people swallow it, right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
while
So it's
brushing.
completely safe. It's
Mm.
not gonna harm your body.
Okay. So, are there any particular toothpaste to follow?
Toothpaste, if you are having sensitivity, Sensodyne toothpaste is really good, and
Mm.
along with that there are so many good toothpaste like Vintage,
Mm.
Vintage Fort, and for cavity, if people are having already so much of cavities, then Anafix is good. Colgate is good.
Okay.
Colgate में cavity protection is also there.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so many are there. But you have to check that it is FDA recognized or not. At the back end of your toothpaste, it will be, the symbol will be there.
Nobody will read that actually. And also, some people complain that Colgate is very strong. And after brushing with the Colgate, and they get a kind of rashes and very sensitive
No.
around their mouth. Okay.
Being tested and researched, then only it is coming into the market.
Okay. And also, doctor, so many people, they have very yellow teeth, colored teeth.
Yeah.
And actually, why it is occurred?
Yeah, because Indians, they have a habit of having tea, coffee very oftenly, and all our food, they'll have the spices of turmeric, beetroot, and
Yes,
all those
yes.
things. They create lot of stains.
Mm-hmm,
So that's why even by brushing also it might not go.
mm-hmm.
So that's why we suggest you to go for a regular visit, get a professional cleaning, and if possible, if needful, you can also plan for a teeth whitening.
Not from the food actually, but some people also have some kind of lining on their teeth, very
Yeah.
yellow or brownish line.
Yeah, that's true.
So what do you say about that?
So that's just stain and
Yeah.
tartar on your teeth.
Mhm.
So tartar has to be removed professionally. You can't brush hard and remove it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everybody must visit a dentist, you say.
Yes, every 6
How
months.
often?
Every 6 to 8 months.
Doctor, actually, what is the root canal treatment? And when I say root canal, people are saying, no, it's not good for your health or it's very risky. And so many people avoid that.
Yeah.
And why people have this fear
Yeah.
about root canal?
Right. So first thing I'll tell you is why they end up into a root canal thing. First is they are not maintaining the hygiene, and then the small cavity starts.
Mm.
That cavity itself is ignored,
Okay.
and that cavity, when the bacteria is there in that cavity, it will start taking up the tooth structure, and slowly it will reach to a nerve inside the tooth.
Okay.
Then that's how the people will get sharp pain, and then they are too much scared because they're already into pain,
Mm-hmm.
and they are scared about the procedure that they might get pain. But to be honest, when I work, I follow a good local anesthesia protocol,
Okay. Mm.
which will make the patient calm down, and the entire procedure goes painless.
And how will you convince a patient, doctor?
So a good explanation about the procedure and step by step explanation and how important it is. It's very, very important to save the natural teeth by doing a root canal, then an extraction. They might go and remove the teeth also. I've
Okay.
seen people
Okay,
out of
okay.
fear they do that.
Mm-hmm.
But natural teeth cannot be replaced. If it
Okay.
is replaced, it cannot be 100% natural teeth.
Also, there is a myth when people go through this root canal treatment and also risk of a heart attack. Is it true?
Yeah. So yeah, true. But it's half of the myth into it. Root canal cannot create a heart attack, but if it is ignored, if the root canal infection is ignored, it might reach to your bloodstream, and then it might create a heart attack.
Okay.
But ignorance is bad compared to all this myth which is coming out. I've seen lot of
I mean, like
Instagram.
how it is going to affect on the heart?
Because it will, the root canal infection, if it is ignored, if it is left out for long term, it might reach to your bloodstream.
Mhm.
And through
Okay,
the
okay,
bloodstream,
through the
it will
blood.
go to your heart.
Okay.
It can also cause so many systemic issues.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So where is the mistake here?
Mistake is ignorance.
Mm. It
People
depends on
follow-
patient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Patients, what they do is nowadays social media is also misguiding them. So half of the patient, they think if I do this, I might end up this. So that's a big myth. And if you don't do, you're already into suffering.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a myth. You should trust your dentist, and you should follow Google just for information, not to decide what you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are there any alternative ways for this root canal procedure, doctor?
If you follow a good hygiene protocol, and every 6 to 8 months you go to your dentist can easily find out where is the cavity and what is the issue.
Okay.
And that same point he will sort it out.
Okay.
And you don't have to reach to a situation where you have to go with root canal and you have pain or any infection.
People who are not ready for this root canal procedure. Okay, what you will suggest for them?
Yeah, actually root canal is the safest one.
Mm.
But if they are not ready, the last option will be removal of the teeth.
Okay.
But usually I don't suggest them to remove their teeth, natural teeth.
In Cara Care Clinic, what are the treatment and procedures are available?
Yeah. So in Kara Care is a polyclinic. Kara means face. So
Okay.
we are working on face. We transform face on from the patients.
Mm-hmm.
So whoever is coming with a concern of their teeth, so we work on teeth, we work on face, we work on hair.
Okay.
So we do a lot of cosmetic treatments. We have a team of doctors, and we do hair transplant, we do hair fall treatment, and dental treatment, everything, including smile designing and root canals, crowns, everything we do. Yeah.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, how often people come to you complaining tooth pain? I mean, like they say, oh, pain is so unbearable, doctor, and so they say. But and actually, and what they do is they take so many painkillers for that, and the problem will not go.
Yeah.
So what actually happened there?
Yeah, so the thing is that they find out some temporary solution for their pain. So initially they take painkiller and few days they'll feel good.
Mm.
And after 2-3 days again that same pain will come back. It's a cycle.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So the root cause is not being treated. So ideally they should reach to the clinic day one they get the pain,
Mm.
and they should take an advice from the doctor what
Okay.
is happening. They should find out why they are getting the pain.
Mm.
So any pain which is more than a day, it's quite risky. They
So
should.
what are the causes, doctor?
So causes could be anything. There could be a localized infection. There
Mm-hmm.
could be a deep cavity. There could be a crack on your teeth.
Okay, okay.
So by mistake, if you have bitten hard, by mistake, the tooth has been broken in between. That time you should take an immediate action.
Mm-hmm.
Then taking a painkillers. So painkillers also, if overtaken, then
Yes, yes, yes.
overdose can harm your body, can harm your kidney also. Long term, you should not prefer without any doctor's advice.
Any home remedies are there, doctor, for to relieve the pain?
You should not follow any home remedies. To be
Okay.
honest, you should not. You should not do experiment on this.
Okay, you will not advise.
No, I will strictly not advise.
Because actually, what they do is they put some cloves inside their mouth and they think that it will go away.
No, definitely clove cannot help them. Yeah.
Actually, what do you hear from your clients, ma'am?
There are
Usually,
so many things, so many things. I have heard they use safety pin to clean their teeth.
yeah, they do.
So it's gonna be a great risk of infection. You're indirectly harming your gums. You're poking your gums, and then gums will be inflamed. From there onwards, the food will be always there.
Okay.
So you should not do all those things. Instead of that, you follow a good hygiene habit that includes water floss, that includes regular brushing and cleaning. Yeah, using a good mouthwash that can
Okay.
help.
Okay, mouthwashes are good, doctor,
Yeah.
because so many people will avoid. Actually, mouthwashes are not good. It can sensitize your teeth and all. So, is it true?
There are mouthwashes which will help to prevent the sensitivity from your mouth.
Okay.
So you should choose the mouthwash depending what dentist is writing for you. So a good mouthwash can help for the cavity protection, can help for the sensitivity also. You can use mouthwash. If you're too scared, you can dilute and use once in a day.
Okay, okay. Mm. And also, doctor, some people use charcoal to clean their teeth. Is it advisable?
That's a big red flag. No,
Okay.
we should not use charcoal. Charcoal will create abrasions on your teeth.
Mhm.
It can erode your enamel, and then you will be more sensitive.
Actually, a lot of people use neem stick, doctor. Yeah, they think that oh, it will clear, it will clean my teeth and all. It is good for health as well. Yeah, is it true?
No, because they don't have that knowledge of brushing technique
Mm.
and the brush. That's why they are still following the old things.
Yeah.
So earlier our genes were good. They
Mhm.
were still having strong teeth and
Yes, yes,
good.
yes.
So nowadays the teeth is also not good, and the eating habits are also different. Yeah, so we need extra care to be taken.
Okay. After eating, and people do brush. Actually, is it fine, doctor?
No, actually, you don't need immediately after eating. You should not brush immediately. Brushing twice in a day is fine, morning and night before you sleep.
Mm.
So because if you eat too much of sugary item also,
Mm.
then morning and night brushing is good, but too much of sugary also should be avoided,
Okay.
because there'll be bacteria into your food, and that bacteria will release some acids into it. So an acid attack can erode the enamel. Yeah, so it can damage your tooth structure.
Okay, okay. Before going to doctor, actually, people what they do is they search in Google, ask ChatGPT.
Yeah.
and they inquire everything. Do you actually recommend that?
I feel ChatGPT has become their best friend.
Yes.
So first they will ask the ChatGPT what to do, and then they will think if it is right or
And
wrong.
they'll come and ask you questions,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So Google, I have Google patients also.
Okay.
So I strictly tell them, okay, you have got the information right, but don't decide your treatment, because Google cannot come and take an X-ray for you. Google cannot decide what is the treatment plan for you, because Google is what you are asking.
Okay.
Google cannot decide your
Yes, yes,
treatment.
yes.
So trust your dentist, and once dentist will take an X-ray, diagnose your problem, and go ahead. If you don't trust and you trust more on Google, you might end up in delay of your treatment,
Yes, yes.
and then lot of many things will become chronic.
Doctor, which one is more dangerous? Pain without swelling or pain with swelling?
So yeah, it's a good question. So swelling without pain is more dangerous, because you are getting a swelling. That swelling is a clear indication of infection behind it.
Yes.
So that swelling might be an aggressive one. It will progress into your face, and it might reach to your sinus, or it might close your eyes also. So
Okay.
that swelling is very dangerous. You should immediately go to the surgeon or a dentist to find out why the swelling is coming. So swelling without pain is very, very dangerous. When the pain is there without swelling, that means a local infection is there,
Is there?
localized
Yes,
infection
yes.
that might get easily off
Yeah.
just by a small treatment itself. But swelling into the face is a dangerous thing. It might be a sign of big infection.
Okay, okay. And also, doctor, is there any connection between teeth and eyes?
Yeah, there is a big myth. I have heard
Okay.
big myth about it. So patients, they come with before removing the teeth, they always ask me, once I remove my wisdom teeth, my eyesight will go, it will reduce or
Yes.
it will get
Actually, people
spoiled.
do believe that. A lot of
Yeah,
people.
yeah. There's no connection into it. So when if you don't remove the wisdom teeth, that pain is horrible.
Yes.
So there is
Mm.
no connection with your eyes. We are not gonna damage any of the nerve related to your eye. So it's a big myth in the
No
patients.
need to fear.
No need to get fear. Absolutely
Okay.
no.
Doctor, what are the advanced treatment are available now in 2026 in dental history?
So dentistry has become too much advanced now. So all those materials, those products, and those techniques, everything has updated now.
Mm.
So earlier, if you go back to your school time, your friends used to wear braces for 2 years, three
Yeah,
years,
yes, yes.
yeah,
I
and they used
see.
to get frustrated with those braces. Right. So now to overcome that, advanced braces have come, advanced aligners have come. Aligners are so transparent that even when you put and talk to me, matlab, unknown person cannot make out that you are undergoing with a treatment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and laser has overcome so many drawbacks of dentistry,
Okay.
right? So it has become so easy, and bleeding is less. The entire procedure becomes less invasive compared to the manual one.
Okay.
And microscope endodontics is there. So microscope means it is exactly replacing the word of imagination, and it is giving you a practical, real, close view of the site. So
Okay.
then the doctors can operate very easily with the help of microscope, and very closely, very precise work we can do.
Okay. How does the laser treatment work, doctor?
So laser, now we do laser root canal treatments also. So the infection, if it is beyond the apex or inside the teeth, it is too big infection, we take help of the laser. Laser radiation can completely eradicate the bacteria from the teeth, and it can easily cure
Is
the
it safe,
infection.
doctor?
Yeah, it's 100% sure.
Because when people hear about laser and they get scared, okay, laser, what they do actually.
Laser is in fact completely painless procedure.
Hmm.
Laser is also operated into your gums.
Mm-hmm.
So when we used to do manually the cleaning, it used to be slight painful
Yes,
sometimes.
yes, yes.
So the patients who are very sensitive, we can operate with the help of laser, and we can easily thoroughly clean it.
Mm-hmm.
So laser has sorted our problems dental.
Okay. And also, while before going to dentist, actually they also check their bank balance.
Correct.
So
Correct.
why is like that? Why it is so expensive?
Yeah, so dental treatments are expensive when you ignore the things.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, when you do the treatment, dental treatment might take hardly 2000, 3000. But once you ignore it and it becomes a very severe thing, then you might have to go for a root canal, which will cost you 5000 or 6000. Then that also step you ignored it.
Okay.
Then you will might end up into removing a tooth. And then after removing, you have to replace a new teeth.
Yes.
Then it becomes costly. So the entire step by step, the ignorance is the big word. Should
Okay.
stop ignoring the dental problems.
If you want to save your money.
Yes, if you want to save your money.
Doctor, actually, what is Invisalign? Because we can see so many ads over there. So Invisalign, you can opt for this very easy treatment without pain and all. So actually, how does it work?
So, into my experience into dentistry, whomever I have given Invisalign treatment, they are the most satisfied patients.
Mhm.
Invisalign is the most premium
Yes,
brand
yes.
in dentistry, and it has started aligners. With these aligners, they work into smart force technique. So they apply a very limited amount of force onto your teeth, and they move the teeth.
Mhm, mhm.
So accurate results will be there, and you can trust on Invisalign like more than 100%. I have seen most of the people, they get good results in 6 months.
Okay.
So aligners,
In 6 months only.
yeah, in aligners, Invisalign is the topmost premium
Yes,
brand.
I think
Yeah.
also it's very expensive.
It's expensive, but it is worth paying for.
Mhm.
It's a US brand.
Yes.
So it is coming and manufactured in US and exported to India. But if you compared US people,
Yeah,
they
come
have to pay more than Indian
yes,
people.
yes, yes.
So we are lucky
Actually, they come
enough.
here, right?
Yeah, they come for the treatment. We are lucky enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also, I can see that so many celebrities opt for the Invisalign, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Since, see, they can do their shoots wearing the aligners also, they can do their shoots, and minor corrections will come out very, very smooth and very easily, and it's very flexible.
Okay.
Only thing is that while
It's
eating, you
completely
have to,
transparent. Right?
yeah, it's transparent. It's
Okay.
invisible Invisalign.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for listening me.